Hey, girlies. Welcome back to my channel, Girlycare. In today's video we are learning about how to glow up physically in 1 week. So let's get started. In this whole process I am going to teach you about your skincare, body care, and hair care routine. Number 1, skincare. It is not impossible to do skincare without using any products. You can also take help of face massage to enhance your facial features. Do facial massage from gua sha, or if you don't have it, so don't worry, you can do massage with the help of your fingers. Don't forget to apply some oil or serum before massage. Massaging your face can help to increase blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and gives you sharp features. Now we are moving into the most common problem that every girl faces, is having the under eye dark circles. But don't worry, it can be fixed by these tips. First, apply ice cubes on under eyes to reduce puffiness. Second, use frozen tea bags for relaxation of eyes. Third, put eyes mask on your dark circles, it will help to get rid of dark circles. Fourth, apply aloe vera gel on eyes before sleep. Fifth, try to minimize your screen time or increase sleep time. Must take 8 hours of sleep daily. Brush your teeth regularly to help your smile look its best. A bright, happy smile is a massive part of the glow up transformation. Brush your teeth every morning and night, and remember to floss your teeth each day too. For avoiding bad breath problem, you can use mouth freshener. If you have small eyelashes, so use Vaseline or castor oil over your lash line. Do this for at least 1 month. That is not important, that what's your skin color, you can look beautiful in your own color by using this homemade face packs. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, half tablespoon honey, pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon curd. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with cold water. Use this pack for twice in a week. This will remove tanning from your face and gives you radiant glow. If you don't have time to follow multiple steps of skincare routine, then at least you should add sunscreen in your daily routine. Number 2, hair care. Hairs are the most important factor in our overall look. It can make your look best or worst, it's depend on how you take care of your hairs. First of all, you have to be understood your hair type, then use the products. So let me show you a quick hair care routine that you should be follow for getting smooth and silky hairs. Step 1, scalp oiling. Before hair washing, apply coconut oil on scalp for at least 30 minutes. Step 2, shampoo. Remember that you should apply shampoo on your scalp, not the hair length. Step 3, conditioning. Apply conditioner only on hair length. After shampoo, let it be for 5 minutes, then rinse off. Step 4, hair mask. It helps to nourish your damaged hair. Use twice in a week. After washing hair, wrap your hair in a towel. Step 5, serum. Hair serum help to reduce frizz, detangling it, and nourishment in your hair. Step 6, hair oil. Apply oil on length of hair. It reduces hair fall, split ends, and soften the hair. Bonus tips, use wooden comb instead of plastic. Let dry your hair naturally. Try to minimize heat. Not just your face, your body also deserves a proper care routine. Keeping this in mind, we will guide you through a transformative body care routine that not only enhances your skin's natural glow, but also nurtures your overall well-being. Number 1, cleanser. Start your body care routine with a gentle, pH-balanced body wash or soap to cleanse your skin. Number 2, exfoliate. Exfoliate your body to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, once or twice a week. Number 3, moisturizer. Apply a hydrating body lotion or cream immediately after showering or bathing. Focus on areas prone to dryness, such as elbows, knees, and feet. Number 4, sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to exposed areas of your body daily, even if it's cloudy or you're indoors. If you follow these tips honestly, then you get the best results. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.